In primetime news this evening, man charged for killing his stepmother walks free as court case collapses in dramatic fashion.
Premier local medical facility reports climbing COVID cases and deaths.
And drama in Westmoreland Municipal Corporation as its deputy mayor is ousted. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, is saying that the Bank of Jamaica will have to continue balancing between stemming inflation and looking at how the economy is going in other economic areas. I'll give the details a little later on. Thank you, Keys. There's also sports a little later on in the bulletin, but first, we want to get a preview of what's going to be coming up in the weather report later on, and hopefully some rain.
Yes, we do have a bit of shower activity expected tomorrow, but thereafter drier conditions. We're back to the mostly sunny and the windy and the hazy.
What about the heat?
And we are expecting warmer and very dry conditions to be affecting most of the island over the next few days. We're not going to be cooling down anytime soon.
Well, thank you very much, Romain. We're looking forward to what the weather will bring for us this week. And we have Jermaine Brown here to tell us what's coming up in sports.
Well, thank you, Andrea. Well, the National Stadium was brought into full focus recently. Repairs needed there. Well, another of the island's major sports facility comes under the microscope this evening. We'll tell you more about that a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather later on in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of reports that COVID-19 cases and deaths are increasing?
You can share those comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and you can tweet us at TVJ News Center.
You're not joining us here? Well, stay with us. The primetime news package will return
after the break.